Today's a big day, and we got the shorty out here riding her four-wheeler. There's the old 54. And we're going to be redoing the hood on that soon, so you're going to be seeing that here soon. I got the hood taken off, so we're going to be cleaning it up and sanding it down and painting.
Tires. New tires for the pontoon. Boathouse. Houseboat.
Okay. Tire number 3. Making my camera person here multitask. And we got Miss Mary behind the camera here. She is my other half. Yeah, we're definitely going to get some new lug nuts for this when I do the bearings and all that. These don't have to be super tight for as little as we're going right now. Swing! If you don't catch them coming out of this gun, you'll be looking for them. Oh, I see one way back over there. My Sharona. You grab me that other lug nut over there.
There you go.
Alright, thank you very much. Alright. Tires are on. Alright, make sure we're clear of everything when she comes down. Front jack is out. Nope. Front jack. Painting it. But as you can see, we got the sides laid down on the ground. And we are going to be moving. This big dog all the way to the back of the shop over here. Because as it stands right now, as you can see, the roof is not tall enough on the shop here to get her in there. So needless to say, we got to move it around to the back to get these walls on here. But yeah, brand new tires are on. We just got to clean them rims up make her pretty when she goes down the road, and we'll put some lug nuts on it, some new lug nuts, and make it look prettier. Not like we really care about the trailer too much. It's the build of this thing that's going to be sweet. So, and here's what we bought for the winch for this thing. We bought an electric winch for it, and it's called a Mega Flint. And as you can see here, it's got one pulley up underneath here, so we're gonna add another one to it, because it's like a 2,000 pound pull on it. So with that winch, that pulley on there, it says it makes it about 4,000 pounds. So we're gonna add one more to that, just to make sure we're covered when we try to pull this thing up out of the water. As you can see here, we had to move this around a little bit to get this thing on here. And of course, I'm going to weld some right here. I'm going to weld some pieces on right here that come down to here to reinforce this. So we put us a new tongue jack on here. So I wanted to get up underneath here and show you how far that triple came up there. So I've had some people send me emails and commenting about the weight of this thing and checking the buoyancy of it. But being this did come as a party hut from the factory, it's going to give us, I think we're going to be good, because these pontoons are really pretty big. As you can see here, I get my hand against just the bottom. I mean, I've got a pretty big hand and spreading out there. I'm still not even close, so I'm not sure what the size of these are, but I think they're like 24 inch. I mean, they are really, really big pontoons. A lot bigger than what I'm used to seeing on the water. And I grew up in Michigan on Channel Lakes, and I've seen some pretty big pontoons, but I've never seen one this size out there. So this is really going to be an exciting build. So I just wanted y'all to see all of this. Now this part back here, this will be coming off. As you can see here, it's movable. It's not even attached, because when we bought this this piece was not on there to begin with, and we thought we were going to use it, but now that we're going to be turning this into a houseboat, and we got this damage back here that we didn't notice before. So all of this is going to be coming off, and we're going to be redoing it. So we've got all our decking. This is going to be all this decking here is just going to be like to keep the water out and something to set the floor on, because we have a floor system over here that's going to be going on. So as you can see, this is the floor system. So we'll be laying our plywood on top of this for our floor itself. And then everything's going to be tucked up underneath there all the way down through there. Like all our wiring and our steering and wires and plumbing and what have you like that. So this is where we're at. And again, like I said, this is just, we're not going to have any room to put that up underneath there. So we're going to be taking this over here, and then we're going to be putting this on the back of the shop right here. Shorty's over here trying to get the fire going. Like any 10-year-old, 11-year-old, there. Let's be a little pyro. Oh, okay. Almost. I stand corrected. Almost 12. She's getting to be an old fart here real fast, huh? So anyway, this is what we got. And then soon we're going to be siding this shop here one of these days. That's my next project, is siding the shop. You know, it's all free. That's why we call it Junk to Gems 3. As we turn junk into gems, and there's 3 of us. So we'll be doing that soon. Um,
Alright, right there.
I gotta go the other way. That's what I gotta do.
He's thinking for a second.